Hi, this is Joe from the Pocono Mountain Public Library. I do the guitar workshops here, and today I'm teaching you how to play Blitzkrieg Bop by the Ramones. We're going to be playing with power chords today. I should let you know that the original uses bar chords, but bar chords take a while to perfect, and it takes a lot of hand strength, and power chords are ideal for the beginner. If you would like the guitar tabs, just send me an email with guitar tabs in the subject line and put the name of the song somewhere in the body of the email. The email is going to be in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. So for those of you who don't know your power chords, I'm going to show them to you right now. All right. So our first one is an A power chord. We're going to hold down the 5th fret on the E string, and simultaneously we're going to hold down the 7th fret of the A string. So, all right, and we're just going to hit these two strings, just these two strings. Can you see that? It's a little weird because I'm not used to strumming up so high. All right. Now for the next chord, that's your A power chord. The next chord is a D power chord. So what we do, we take that same shape and we bring it down one string. So that means on the A string, you are holding down the 5th fret, and on the D string right beneath it, you're holding down the 7th fret. So it goes, right? A, D, right? That's not the song, but those are the chords essentially. So after the D power chord, you go to the E power chord. Same exact shape. See that? All right. I'm playing with my fingers and not my pick here. I like the sound of the I like my sound of my thumb better. So the E power chord is 7th fret on the A string and then 9th fret on the D string. So all together, this is the first part of the song. It's the intro and the verse. So after you do A, D, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, A, or however you want. The nice thing about punk music is you could play it the right way, or you play it close enough to the right way. That's the nice thing about punk. I'm sure the Ramones played it different every single night they played. So on to the second part of the song. It starts on the D power chord. A, D, 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 B, D, E. Let me spell that out for you again. D, So, just to go over the second section again, D, and then it goes A, D, A, then it goes D, B, D, E. Now it's all the same, the exact same shape. So that B power chord is essentially holding down the 7th fret of the E string and holding down the 9th fret of the A string. And that's the nice thing about punk rock and power chords. It kind of like when I was first starting out, I knew some open chords, but I often found that I wanted to play other chords other than that, and I didn't know how to play bar chords yet. So somebody taught me about power chords, and power chords allows you to get to places where you can't get to. Like you can't play A flat. You can't play B, open B or open A flat, or you can't play a C sharp, or C sharp right here. You can't play those chords on open without a capo, that is. But then again, you're limited to those certain chords. So power chords really opens up the whole entire neck for you, and I recommend anyone, any beginning guitar player, to learn all the notes on these two heavy strings here. So your open E, first fret open E on the E is, the first fret on the, if you hold down the first fret on the E, it's F, then F sharp, then G, then A flat, then A, then B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E on the 12th fret there. And here on the A string, so that's A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A. Learn all those notes, all right? Because like with power chords, for instance, wherever your pointer finger is, that's the chord it is, basically. That's because my pointer finger is on the A flat right there. This is an A flat power chord. All right, and that is pretty much the whole song. I hope this lesson's been useful for you. One more thing before I go, guys. Whether you're a fan of the Ramones, whether you like punk rock or not, you should know that a lot of punk rock songs are super, super easy. If you're a beginner, they're a great place to start on the guitar. There will be many more guitar lessons to come, and keep an eye out for some bass lessons as well.